Welcome to Review Rumble. The best cow print baby shower is probably one of the most adorable and unique themes to celebrate an upcoming arrival, offering a charming and playful atmosphere that guests of all ages will surely moo-ve over. From the delightful decorations to the sweet treats, this theme promises a memorable gathering filled with rustic charm and farm-fresh fun, making it a perfect choice for parents looking to create a whimsical and unforgettable baby shower experience that's utterly fantastic. Number 5. Bedwina Cow Print Tablecloths, Pack of 6. Get a set of 6 premium black and white cow print tablecloths. Made from high-quality plastic, they are designed to resist rips and tears, fitting most average-sized tables. Each tablecloth measures 54 inches wide by 72 inches long, making them ideal for rectangular tables. Please measure your table before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. Add a festive touch to your cow-themed party decorations. These are perfect for kids' farm birthdays, barnyard animal parties, or cowboy and western-themed events. These table covers are waterproof and easy to clean up, making them great for both indoor and outdoor use. They hold up well with kids and adults alike. You can trust that these tablecloths are made to last. We ensure you'll be completely happy with your purchase. What we like. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to cover multiple tables for a cow-themed event, this pack of 6 is a fantastic choice. They are made of durable, waterproof plastic, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor parties, especially those with little ones who might spill. Choose these if you need reliable and easy-to-clean tablecloths for a farm or western-themed birthday or baby shower. What people say. Great quality. Used to decorate a coworker's cubicle, turning from boring cubicle walls to exciting cow print. Pattern is vibrant and fun to make any cow lover excited and can be used for more than just a tablecloth if you allow your imagination go wild. Durable and adorable for a theme party. Good quality and nice for a cow-themed party. We used one to wrap a gift and the other 2 as tablecloths. Number 4. Cocomigo 241 PCS Highland Cow Baby Shower Decorations. Welcome to our adorable Highland Cow Baby Shower Decorations. This one-stop package has everything you need to celebrate your little one's arrival. You'll find plates, tablecloths, a special sash, a pin, a complete balloon arch kit, and so much more. It's a complete set for a memorable celebration. Crafted from superior materials, our decorations are durable and safe. The tablecloths are easy to clean, and the plates are waterproof and sturdy, ensuring a worry-free party. We've made it easy for you to set up. With all the necessary materials and instructions included, assembly is a breeze. Plus, the disposable tableware means no cleanup hassle. Our unique design features cute Highland cattle, cow patterns, and butterflies in a warm color palette. It creates a friendly and coordinated atmosphere for your special day. These decorations are perfect for baby showers, celebration ceremonies, or even room decor. They're ideal for families welcoming a new baby or anyone who loves nature and animals. What we like. For parents who want a cohesive and stress-free baby shower, this all-in-one Highland Cow package is a lifesaver. It includes everything from balloons and backdrops to plates and even a sash, all with a charming brown, blue, and white color scheme featuring cute Highland cows. If you're aiming for a warm, friendly atmosphere and want to save time on shopping and cleanup, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Beautiful decorations, worked great for baby shower. Cute bundle came with everything we needed. Easy to put together and one kit made it easy to have it all in one package ready to go. Number 3. MustMat Cow Print Rug. Introducing a unique cow print rug, designed to add a touch of style to your home. Its soft texture and durable construction ensure both comfort and longevity. Experience unparalleled comfort with its plush, skin-friendly fabric. The heavy-duty non-slip base provides excellent stability, ensuring it stays in place no matter what. This rug effortlessly complements various decor themes, from western and farmhouse to modern styles. It's a flexible addition that enhances any room's aesthetic. Ideal for entryways, bedrooms, living areas, or even as a party decoration. Its versatility extends to being a unique wall hanging or table runner. Looking for the perfect gift? This rug is an excellent choice for housewarming, birthdays, or any holiday occasion, bringing joy and style to new homeowners. Maintaining its pristine look is simple. It's machine and hand washable, and any initial lint can be easily removed with a quick vacuum. What we like. If you want to add a touch of rustic charm and cozy comfort to a room, this cow print rug is an excellent option. Its soft, skin-friendly plush fabric and heavy-duty non-slip base make it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or living areas. Consider this if you're decorating for a western or farmhouse theme and want a durable, stylish floor accent that's also easy to maintain. What people say. The cow print is fun, playful, and adds a whimsical touch to any room. It looks exactly like the pictures and instantly brightens up the space. The faux fur is soft, plush, and comfortable underfoot. It feels luxurious and is perfect for a cozy area in a bedroom, living room, or nursery. The rug is well made and holds up nicely under regular use. Cleaning is easy, and it retains its softness and shape. Number 2. Cow print party balloons. Get ready to party with our adorable cow print balloons. These fun decorations are perfect for any celebration, adding a unique touch to your event. Our set includes a variety of colors like maca pink, brown, and rose gold, along with classic cow prints. They're made from durable latex, ensuring they stay inflated and look great. Setting up is a breeze. These balloons are easy to inflate with air or helium, saving you time and effort so you can focus on enjoying your party. Whether it's a birthday, baby shower, or a themed party, these balloons are versatile. They're ideal for creating stunning balloon arches and displays. With 52 pieces in each set, you have plenty to decorate any space. Let these charming balloons help you create a memorable and festive atmosphere for your guests. For best results, inflate them to about 85 to 90% and keep them away from sharp objects and extreme heat. Supervise young children for safety. What we like. If you're planning a cow-themed party and want to add a festive and colorful touch, these cow print balloons are a great choice. The set includes a mix of maca pink, brown, and rose gold balloons, along with cow-printed ones, offering a unique visual appeal. They are made of strong latex and are easy to inflate, making them ideal for creating balloon arches or simply adding pops of color to your baby shower or birthday celebration. What people say. The colors look exactly as they are pictured: butter yellow, sage green, baby blue, and cream. Brilliant bright colors and easy to pump up into large balloons, none popped. The combination of solid and metallic tones adds a classy touch. Number 1. Cow Print Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our charming cow print balloon arch kit, perfect for adding a unique touch to your celebrations. This kit features a delightful mix of colors and sizes to create a stunning visual display. Crafted from thick, elastic latex, these balloons are designed for durability and are resistant to popping. They are non-toxic, safe for all ages, and maintain their shape and buoyancy for long-lasting decorations. Setting up your balloon arch is a breeze with the included tools. Simply inflate, fasten, and create beautiful arches or garlands. It's a fun DIY project for everyone to enjoy. From farm-themed birthdays and baby showers to weddings and graduations, this versatile kit is ideal for any celebration. It adds a touch of freshness and charm to transform any space. We are dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction with our product. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll resolve them promptly for a worry-free decorating experience. What we like. For those who love a DIY project and want to create a stunning focal point for their party, this cow print balloon arch kit is ideal. It comes with balloons in various sizes and shades of nude, brown, and apricot, along with cow print balloons, and includes all the tools needed for assembly. If you're looking to add a sophisticated and festive touch to a farm-themed birthday, baby shower, or graduation, this kit will help you create a memorable decoration. What people say. The cow print design is adorable and perfect for a baby shower theme. The quality of the material is good, it feels durable and well made. It was easy to set up and looked great as a decoration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.